Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Clash Royale on your PC without Google Play. First, you will need an Android emulator, which creates a virtual Android environment on your computer. Popular choices include BlueStacks or Nox Player, both offering robust performance for mobile games. Select an emulator that is compatible with your operating system and has good reviews for gaming. This initial step is crucial for setting up your virtual mobile device. Next, you need to obtain the Clash Royale application package, commonly known as an APK file. Since we are bypassing Google Play, you will download this file from a reputable third-party source. Search for Clash Royale APK download and ensure the website is trustworthy to avoid any security risks. The APK file is typically several hundred megabytes in size, so a stable internet connection is recommended for a smooth download process. Once your emulator is installed and the Clash Royale APK file is downloaded, the next step is to install the game. Open your chosen emulator and locate the option to install an APK, often found as an APK install button or by dragging and dropping the file. The emulator will then process the file, installing Clash Royale just as if you were using a mobile device. This process usually takes only a few moments to complete. Finally, with Clash Royale successfully installed, you are ready to launch and play the game. Navigate to the home screen of your emulator, where you should see the Clash Royale icon. Click on it to start the game. You might be prompted to log in with a Supercell ID or create a new one to save your progress. Enjoy battling other players and climbing the ranks from the comfort of your personal computer.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.